Yes. Huh? Where? Where? Where?
Watch right down here. See the birds?
Yeah.
Watch this side of the birds.
Okay.
A bunch of dolphins coming out of the water closer to us.
Okay, I see them again.
Halfway between here and the birds. They're feeding on bait in there, watch.
Oh, okay. I see them.
See them right there?
I see them.
See the dolphins come up?
Yeah.
By the birds?
Yeah. I see a fin.
Now watch this, see the dolphins come out of the water. See them out
I
there?
see them, yeah, I see them.
To the right?
Yeah, I see them, yeah. Yep. Neat.
See them out there?
Yeah.
Right under the birds? There's a whole bunch of jack smelt out there. I was catching it yesterday.
Jack smelt?
Yeah, all this little smelt like this.
Neat.
See the dolphins?
Oh yeah, I see them.
See the birds on the water?
That's
Sitting on
not
the water?
shark. It's not sharks. Those are not sharks, are they?
See the dolphins behind all the birds feeding on the bait? They're coming out of the water. No, those are people down there. Right there, you see the dolphin tail just come out
Are
of the
those
water?
sharks?
See them right there on the surface? See
Are
all the
they
birds, all
sharks?
the black birds?
I do see them.
Right past the birds.
Well, are they going to eat the birds?
No, they're eating the bait. There's a bunch
Are
of
they
bait
sharks?
fish. See the one just come out of the water?
Yeah, yeah.
They're hard to see, they're small.
Well, what bait are they eating?
Right there, behind it. See all the dolphins?
I know.
There's a bunch of jack smelt. We were catching them yesterday. They're all over. Millions of them.
Oh, what's that?
What type of fish?
Oh. They're eating those. Oh, isn't that nice? Fish oil.
See all the dolphins
Oh,
coming out of the water?
I saw it. I got it.
See them?
Yeah.
Behind the birds?
Yes, I do see them.
Tell me when you see one.
I see it.
Tell me when it comes out so I can prove that you see it. Go.
There,
I saw one.
I
Yeah.
saw one.
Okay.
Well, I've seen a lot of them here in Florida, right on the ocean. And we ran right alongside the dolphins. They're real close to them.
Mm-hmm.